Good morning, traders. First and foremost, I just want to tell you this is not trading advice at all. I'm just simply sharing what I'm doing. That's it. You have to check with your own professional for your own trading. All right, let's get started. Let's talk about this week. And the theme for this week is just getting rid of positions and trimming down the account. VIX is at 15. We've got all-time highs in the markets, and I'm going to kind of sit a little bit and roll some positions as we get to them, but we'll probably wait to make a lot of additional trades. So right now, if you look in the all accounts, and remember the all accounts is all of my accounts: live trading account, live HSA account, rollover IRA, and a very small Roth, which I'll be adding more to these two. This probably another 100 to 200,000 to these two by the end of the year. All right. So let's take a look at this and notice that right now I'm only 49% in. Now this was like 63 to 68% at one point. So we've cut back quite a few positions. And if you go into the income breakdown, we take a look at August, click that, and you go down here to these buy to closes. These are all positions I cut back or rolled and get this account ready for the next severe down leg or down period, because that's when I want to be selling cash secured puts. Let's go over to the close trades and let's go by close date. And you can see I did 2 rolls on Uber. And then we have the FCX that I closed out. And then we had some SoFis that I wound up rolling. And the Carnival Cruise Lines, a couple of those that I closed out and then bought new. So let's go back to open. And let's take a look at our open positions. So Carnival Cruise Lines, we placed 2 at 222. That was not a roll, that was a straight trade. Netted $224, 2 contracts. That was in the rollover IRA. 33.8% annualized return. Pretty good on that. Uber was a roll, the 68. You can scroll here and take a look at that. Buy to close, 64 cents and $120.70 realized. If you look at that, may be hard for you to see it, but it's there. And then net roll credit wound up being 258.05 across both of those legs. The next Uber was a 69. That was in the live HSA, different account. We rolled that, netted out $229. And let's take a look at that roll. This was a really good trade. This one cost me 78 cents to buy to close. And so we netted out $293 across both legs. So again, another good trade, okay? If we go and look, this month, we're not up that much, but it's early in the month. And most of our stuff closes out. Let's go back here to the expiration. And you'll notice August 14th, we've got NU. I'll probably close that early or roll it. We've got a CCL that closes out August 21st. In fact, look at all the August 21st. We've got 9 of them. So all of these will be most of our revenue on the month once I roll these, okay? Or close or take assignment, depending where the market's at, and then I'll cover them if I take assignment. And then we have an August 28th here as well. So all of these 21st and 28th will be coming into the account financially once we're able to roll, take assignment, write a cover call, or just let close, okay? Or close them early, one of those. All right, we'll probably add a couple more positions if we get a couple down days anywhere in here. My guess is we probably will. The market's just not going to keep going up. And then we'll see this number move. Now let's go into the income breakdown for the month. And remember what I told you guys, the way that we do this is that we do all of our buy to closes and we minus that off of the month that we're in. We don't go back to the original trade. Why? Because the original trade, unless it was in this month, the original trade, if it's in another month, then we would have to go back to an old record and remove that from the record as buying to close. Okay, I don't do that because if you're relying on this money to live on, you say, okay, this month I want to take out, I don't know, $1,000 and leave some for taxes, whatever you guys do, right? Or take out the whole thing. Then you'd have a negative on this month you'd have to make up for it. The accounting gets too crazy. So we do all of our buy to closes on the day that you buy to close it and minus that from the month that you were in. So this month originally, before I ever did these 3 up here, we had three or four buy to closes, was a negative, all right? And then of course we're adding our positions back in. So total on the month right now, it's early yet, it's $365. That's on the week as well. Not as big as my other weeks. We're looking for about $1,000, anywhere from $750 to $1,000 a week right now with this account size. That'll hit our goals and our targets for what we're looking for on a monthly basis, $3,000 to $4,000 with this account size. And all that money will start coming into play, like I said, August 21st or there before, maybe the week before as we start rolling. It's going to come quick, all right? Go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. Coming over to OptiTrades. We'll see you in the room. Visit us on the community and have a great day.